think it's time that we put the nose in. So I'm going to start off with a critter colour. This is 130 critter colour. Very light, but it will have an influence on all the other tones that we're going to put in. Don't necessarily need it to be that sharp at the moment. That's a good base colour. Now on top of that, I think what we'll use is 132, which is the next one on the list here. Put all the pencils, yes, you can see them, most of them anyway. They're all there. Pick from there. Very similar tone, but a little stronger than the 130. I mean, I've got to put this one on first, but I want to retain quite a lot of light in it, especially on this edge where it's catching the light source. Okay, and now this is the other one which I think we could use here, 131. Too much of it is go round the nose, and I think what I better use is the this one. Yeah, that's sharp enough. Go around and just to put a shape to the edge of the nose, and also in the nostril area. Just that. Yes, that looks good. Black in there eventually, and do the other side. I'll finish this off. This all makes more sense now, doesn't it? But there's always a time to do that, to do it, and this is the time to do it. It's not very thick though, it's the thing. I've got to be careful. I can close in on it if I have to. It's not as even as I'd like it. Just slightly. Yeah, a bit of shadow up in this corner anyway. Let's try that. Extend it out a little more. This is why you don't do it with black, because had I used black, it would have been almost impossible to do what I'm doing now. Just cut back just a little. Use a black until you're really, really sure that you've got that as you want it. Okay, now with some other colours. This is the 131 now. It's a little stronger. I'm going to use another colour, which is a rich red, stronger tone. It looks to be an orangey colour in there as well, a suitable orange. I've got this one. Not so sure that will work with it. Well, let's give it a go. It's 113. That's okay. I need my black, a nice sharp black. Well, that's not a nice sharp black. So I'll have to sharpen that up. I'll sharpen that up and then we'll cut it. But we're nearly there. There's just one thing before I do go. I could use my Caran-d'Ache white just to bring some of the hairs back out. I really want to put black on this top area here. Now that looks good. That's ideal. Yeah. Good. Now, and the black I'm going to put in here in a tick. Let me sharpen it up. I'll come back and I'll finish that off. Just before I use the black, I'm going to use this very sharp 130. This is the first colour I use because I want to make it just a little lighter on the edge there where it's catching the light. Close in on that with the black in a tick, just on the edge of this one too. Right. Good. Now I'm going to use the colour shaper. Some of it doesn't look much, does it? But it's surprising what a difference it makes. And just use just one more little touch, and we can put some hair using our Caran-d'Ache because it's a little softer. It's even better really than the general white, to be honest. It might be that this could replace the general. Really, I don't know. Depends. It's just one up here. Let's just come into here because I can finish this off then, the mouth. It's looking good now. All these little extra bits. Use my colour shaper in a minute just to make that just a little more believable. In the meantime, using the black lighter with it, because you've got all those other colours underneath there, tells with it. It's not quite symmetrical here. I'm not quite sure. I think I might have to bring this just a little bit further over. That looks better. These little markings. The other colour, this is the dark grey that I've used before. And we can maybe just make a little bit of depth. A bit of shape. I like the shape of this particular tuft underneath his. It's just like a little bit of shadow as well. And there's a little more shadow on the hair. Now, you don't want to overdo it, but you also want to make sure that when you put the white back in again, it's going to create the effect that you want, like this. Now, I'll have to revisit this when I finish this off. It looks a bit weird at the moment, so you can put some white here as well. Right. Well, I'm going to leave that at the moment. It's wanting to, I'm going to just use my colour shape as I said I would. Just to bring a little bit of shadowing in there. Pulling it from the dark area I've got there makes it a little more red. Finish that back off with. Right. Okay. Well, the next move really now is to start developing this area here. Let's move up a bit so you can see. this area. And we've got the leg, which comes here, right down there. So we've got to move this down and to the leg. It's finishing a whole lot of this off. I'll pull back a bit so that you can see it better, but it's nearly there. I mean, we're certainly well on the way now.